Rainy Day Magic by Marie Louise Gay. It's rainy and foggy and boring and gray. Hey, Daddy, there's Joey. She's coming to play. My dad had a headache. He said, please, no noise. So ever so softly, we cruised through my toys. We raced down the hallway and round past the door, up over the couch, and then crash to the floor. My dad got so angry, we barreled downstairs and built a great castle from creaky old chairs. Then a flash and a bang. It was darker than night, except in the corner a little blue light. Hey, Victor, what is that? Said Joey. Let's see. And Joey went first, 'cause she's braver than me. The blue turned to purple, then black, and then gray. We crawled to a place where banana trees sway. What weird grass, said Joey. It's yellow and black. Hey, this isn't grass. It's a bumblebee's back. Bumblebee? Roared Tiger. I'm sure he woke Dad. Sorry, cried Joey. Oh, please don't get mad. Achoo! Sneezed the Tiger. We both tumbled down a slippery slide on a snake's scaly gown. Hang on, hissed the snake. Come slither with me. But Joey fell off and splashed into the sea. So I dived in after, and brr, was it cold! We swam through a swirl of blue, green, and gold. A seahorse was winning at sea solitaire. A tiny mauve starfish said, hello there. Hey, kids, boomed a whale. You going my way? You don't need a ticket, so what do you say? No, thanks, replied Joey. And what a mistake! He swallowed us up like two pieces of cake. The dark was so scary. Now what would we do? Oh, Victor, said Joey. What's that? Is that you? And supper, called Mom as she opened the door and light flooded down to the basement's dark floor. I tried not to giggle, I tried not to stare, when Daddy said, Joey, what's that in your hair? The end.